Hi friends, now we are going to see the answers of 9th English Kalvi TV assignments. Unit 1, Prose, Learning the Game, Part A. Answer the following. Find out the appropriate meaning for the underlined words. Number 1. The schedule was rigorous. Option A, flexible. Option B, easy. Option C, severe. And the answer is C, severe. Number 2. He was strict disciplinarian and did everything he could for me. A, lenient. B, stern. C, easygoing. And the answer is B, stern. Next, find out the appropriate antonyms for the underlined words. Number 3. Sir, agreed. A, allowed. B, admitted. C, disagreed. The answer is C, disagreed. Number 4. I always enjoyed the conversations about batting. A, hate. B, like. C, love. The answer is A, hate. Number 5. Write the homophone for the word no. The answer is no, N-O, no. Number 6. Write the prefix for the word appear. The answer is disappear. Number 7. Write the suffix for the word sudden. The answer is suddenly. Part B, short answers. Number 1. Who were Sachin's favorite players? Sachin's favorite players were Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Vivian Richards. Number 2. What was Coach Achrekar's first impression on Sachin? The answer is Achrekar felt that Sachin was too young to attend the camp. This was his first impression on Sachin. Number 3. Why was Sachin asked to change the school? Sachin's present school did not have cricket facilities for Sachin to pursue cricket seriously. So he was asked to change the school. Part C. Write in detail. Number 1. Achrekar was a sincere coach. Substantiate. Ramkant Achrekar was a sincere cricket coach. He organized summer camps for students. Initially, he felt that Sachin was too young to attend the camp. Soon he understood his talent and admitted him. He informed his brother Ajit that Sachin would have the potential to be a good cricketer if he practiced all year around. After recognizing Sachin's future, he suggested to Sachin's father to join Sachin in Shaddashram Vidya Mandir school, where all the cricket facilities were available. Achrekar was also kind and caring. During the break between practice sessions, he offered Sachin some money to get himself a vada pav. Achrekar was a good planner. At the end of the training, he would place a 1 rupee coin on the stumps. The coin would belong to Sachin if he managed to hit every ball thrown at him. After that, he made Sachin run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with his pads and gloves on. To improve Sachin's physical and mental stamina, he used this strategy. He did not permit him to miss even a single practice session. He was so farsighted and knew the importance of practice. Once he became angry with Sachin when he bunked his daily evening practice. Sachin was a lucky player for having a sincere coach like Achrekar.